Okay, today we're going to do rear speakers, and I'll show you how to get started on that. For the rear, there are 5 of these T20 little accessory screws that we're going to get out today. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It might be a good idea to pop out these little anchors too, in case they come out when you're removing the door, so that way you don't lose them. The next step will be removing this piece of plastic in behind the door handle. There's a Phillips head screw behind there, which you're going to remove. And just go ahead and pop up the switch for the rear window. And then go ahead and disconnect this. Like so. Alright, next step is to remove the plastic bezel that's around the door handle. Like so. At this point, we can lift up and out to remove the door. The speaker is held in place by 4 5mm bolts. You can remove those. Now you can move your speaker out of the way and disconnect it. There you go. Squeeze down and remove the clip. Okay, I have my JBLs. At this point, you can connect your adapter here. The positive will be the bigger of the two. And then the negative over here will be the smaller one. Okay. There, you can get a better look here. So it looks like, you know, the JBL is just a bit deeper, but really not by much. So I was able to use it and install it without the spacer. And everything is connected. And I'll show you what it sounds like, at least on this side. The other side I'm not gonna film because it's the same exact thing. But let me get some tunes going. Cool. All right, it worked. Sounds good. Sweet. Yeah, cool. So that's my music that I wrote, so I don't have to worry about Anybody really watching this? Because I only have 7 subscribers. Alright, enough of that. Let's get the door back on. Just gotta really line up everything before you stuff it. Plug it back in. And just pop that sucker back down in there. That way, that's done. You don't have to worry about that. Alright. Last thing you gotta do is pop these suckers back in. Just like that. We'll go around and do each one of them.